Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Aave, which I wanted to cover. We got some big news yesterday. Honestly, there weren't too many cryptos I felt compelled to cover today. Some coins are doing well. I mean, WorldCoin, Rune, doing quite well right here. But I wanted to cover Aave because we got some big news yesterday that also caused an interesting pump. I mean, the thing is that what they're doing right now is they're activating some sort of an buy and distribute Avenomics, all right? So that's quite interesting. I haven't read into this completely, but it is 100% bullish for Aave. Also with the fee switch and just in general decreasing the supply and artificially increasing the demand, all right? And that's also pretty substantial because, and I have not looked this up, but if you look at Aave, they are making a ton of fees. All right, they're making about $7.4 million every week. It's quite a lot. 270 in the last year. So if you take that and you think, all right, well, a percentage of that will be spent with buybacks, and the market cap right now is $1.5 billion, albeit that might be quite bullish, all right? And honestly, if you look at the price right now, what we saw yesterday is that we got a pump after the news, but the market circumstances were so volatile, and just in general that there was no clear direction with Bitcoin basically over the entire day yesterday, that I am not sure if this is fully priced in yet, all right? Because if you look at the structure right here for Aave, we have basically been consolidating here for a relatively long period of time in this area right here between, I would say, 108 and 105 as resistance, and then the support level right here at $70 and $80 as support. And do I we got a nice pump because of the news, all right? And you can also see that we gained some nice momentum right here. But if you take that news and you think about it, all right, so here you can see we gained some nice momentum as well. But if you take that news and you already know that Aave was consolidating here, would you not think that that news was bullish enough to cause a bullish breakout? And you have to think about it yourself. But I think there's honestly in these market circumstances, which are quite volatile, and a lot of eyes are on Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin dominance is very high, and we have the Bitcoin conference, maybe we are overlooking something that is actually more bullish than we expect. And certainly is bullish enough to cause a consolidation to break out, which has not happened yet. So therefore, I think Aave is actually quite interesting. I'll follow this because I think what we just saw is still a proposal. So who knows if it will probably pass, but who knows when it will actually be implemented. And the market could still do a lot of funky stuff in between, right? So there's a lot of market risk right now still. But for me, what I would assume in terms of how I'm looking at it in terms of trading or investing in this, the way I look at it is that I assume this consolidation will hold, so that we will move up to the top right here, find resistance, and that will slowly drop down. I think that's what you should assume, but be ready for the breakout, all right? Keep an eye on this level, especially, I would say, at 108. And if we break above that, because of the fundamentals, I do think I would trust that breakout. And I think that's the most interesting move, because if you think about that, then from there, if we get that breakout, like we have a potential upside of at least 23%, which is pretty nice for a trade, right? So those are my thoughts, all right? That's at least my take on Aave right now, and that's also what I wanted to share. So if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.